If you're anything like me, you might have wondered, do eggs explode in microwaves? Well, since a child I've always wondered that question. I've always been told eggs explode in microwaves, but I've never actually seen it with my own eyes. So, this is probably a medium to small sized egg left in the fridge to refrigerate to approximately 5 degrees. And as we do science on this channel now, as well as technology, I think we need to ask and answer one simple question. Do eggs explode in microwaves? So, what we have here is a Breville 800 watt E-rated microwave, and the rules for the egg are as follows. Will this British laid egg explode after 2 minutes? 2 minutes is the timer. Let's go. We shall place the egg in the center of the microwave. We can see the egg spinning around slowly inside. It's now been 10 seconds, nothing has happened. The egg seems to be vibrating a little bit by the look of it. Strange noises are emanating from the microwave. I don't actually think it's going to explode. Well, it's wobbling around a little bit. I see steam. I definitely see steam. Oh! Whoa! Jesus Christ! Whoa! Jesus Christ! Okay, cancel. In the space of 40 seconds, the egg has exploded. That was exhilarating. Let's have a look what happened. Oh my God. Look at the state of that microwave. Jesus Christ. I might have to just pan to the left a bit so you can see the inside of the door. And that is the whole microwave, and the whole ceiling is absolutely covered in egg. The whole microwave is absolutely covered in egg. That is absolutely epic. Well, as you can see, the egg did indeed epically explode inside the microwave. That was just amazing. Now, I'd like you to vote on the poll that's popping up above me now. You'll have a choice out of 2 things to choose from what's going to appear in the next video. 1 will be one thing, 2 will be another, and 3 will be your choice in the comments below. So don't forget to leave a like if you like this video, and don't forget, if you're new around here, please subscribe. And remember, stay 100% real, stay 100% Jim.